focus, so I'm basically I caught my mirror, so I need to fix it. So I basically pulled this tweeter thing off, which is on here. You literally grab it from this side and just go pull, and straight off. You've got these pop clips on there, which one's still stuck in the car, but it's minor. You then disconnect that, which comes out with that connector, and yeah, then it's just unbolt, which I've already done 2 bolts on the cap. So you've got a cap here to cover this bolt, which you need to undo, which I haven't taken out. You've got one down here, and then you've also got one on the side here. There you go. That's how you take your mirror out, and it literally just pulls out from the other side. So just thought I'd tell you that, so at least you know. Yeah, I caught my mirror right on the edge, so the indicator falls out, so it needs replacing. So I've got my replacement mirror in there. Here's something I wanted to teach you guys about the Focus ST. So whether you change your LED indicators for these things, or you change them, you know, to projectors, blue LEDs, standard halogen change, these things are actually harder to change than people make them look like on YouTube. I'm going to just show you exactly what I've come across. You see this bit here? There's always that little arm that sticks out, isn't there? Well, that, as you can see, has got a bolt in it, and a piece of plastic, which snaps off when you pull them out from, you can't even see it in this broken mirror. I wish I'd paid more attention to this, because I've done the same with my new mirror. You see it down there, right next to the purple wire? Snaps it clean off of the mirror, which in all honesty it will hold in, because you've got the little mount there by the end of the light connection, so it will stay in regardless, but it's not fully secure, is it? I mean, come on. I don't even know if most garages know about that, but that little bit snaps clean off. I'd hope so anyway, I'd hope they would. But that bit snaps clean off, and then your puddle light isn't actually fully secure. That is ridiculous. It's kind of a stupid design. That means you've got to take your whole mirror out to change one light. Where is it? That bit there. Right there. It snaps off from this bit. Yes, you can glue it, but come on. It's a piece of hard plastic with no surface area. I personally wouldn't glue it. If it snaps, just live with it. Didn't even realise my mirror was heated, but yeah. There you go. That is how not to break your mirror changing a light. Also, because I haven't really explained it, so these casings here that hold your light assembly on, literally just pull off. You get your fingers behind the mirror and you just tug, and it will just pop straight out. And if yours is like mine, it will have, I can get it out. If yours is like mine, it will have a heating element, as you can see around the back of the mirror. They're very easy to take out, but if you're going to change your puddle lights, I would suggest you take your back casing off, this bit here that would go here, and I'd pull this mirror clean out, and then change your puddle light. It sounds like a load of hassle. It probably is easier off the car, but if you don't want to take it off your car, as I have, then yeah, that's the easiest way. And you literally, I don't know where the bit is, I think it's behind your light thing. You just pull your light out, get behind there, unscrew the screw. It's the Torx screw back there. I'll show you with my other light, be easier to see. Yeah, so you pull your light connection off. Once your light connection's out of the way, you'd get your Torx screw back here to that bit, and then you'd obviously push this clip in, pull your light out. Out quick is, once you're done, if you try and lock your car, as I just have now, and it hasn't, your mirror's barely moved, you can't really see it. Watch the mirror. They flinch a little bit when you lock them. There you go. You see that? It's just basically telling you your car's still open. So don't worry if you've taken your mirror off and it's doing that. Just shut your door and it'll be fine. Now watch. Sorted. Sorted. There you go. Changing the mirror on these things is actually fairly easy. Just take your time. And then, like I say to you, that one bolt on the bottom of your light down here makes a huge difference. That thing is a pain in the backside because you need to take your mirror off to fit it properly. Otherwise, you break a piece of plastic. It's not good. But anyways, have fun with yours.